Hi everyone, I'm Aditya and welcome back to the channel. This is going to be the second vlog from German travel series. It was a total random plan, so I'm going to a place called Württemberg. It is a hill which is in the Stuttgart city, and on top of the hill is a castle which was constructed in the year 1000, and in the 1800s the castle was demolished or destroyed, and on top of that a mausoleum was built. So I'm going there. It was an unexpected plan, so some of the friends were going to Posh Museum. Since I'm not interested in cars and all those stuff, so I just decided we'll go to another place instead. And I was just doing some research in Google and I found this place. Coming to the transport system, there are three main local transport in Germany. One is the U-Bahn, second is the S-Bahn and the bus. Currently I am going to a U-Bahn station, so this is the station which I am in. It's called Lowen Market. So this is like metro subway, but it stops in all the small areas, and the S-Bahn only stops in a major area. So that is the main difference, or at least what I have understood. And then you have your local bus, which is just like a normal bus. And you can see this is my stop. I have to catch the U6 train. This is the train here, and it's just a short train like a tram, and it will stop in a lot of local areas. The place where I am going, it's 1 hour from here. So I have to catch 2 metros. Here you can see the train number and the location where it is going to, and when it will arrive at this station. So like this, all the information will be available on the board. And as far as I have seen, in 2 days the timing is pretty good. I haven't seen any delay or anything like that. So if you are taking public transport, you can plan ahead. Coming to the mask, it's not compulsory to wear here. Only if you are going inside a train or inside a bus, that's when you have to wear. Otherwise it's fine when you're roaming in streets if you don't wear also. And the weather is hot, so I'm just wearing some light shirt. I'm waiting here to meet up with one of my friends. From here I have to again catch the same train, but yeah, since he is coming from a different location, we are planning to meet here. There is an app called DB Planner, and you can find the timings and all this stuff here. And for the next 2 months there is an offer that you can buy a €9 ticket and all the local travel will be free. So since I don't have internet, I can access it now. Otherwise the traveling here would be pretty costly. From what I've heard, there will be like different zones, and each zone will have a different pass. At each station there will be a map provided, so you can see where this particular track leads to. And whatever I showed in the app, the same thing can be purchased even in the station. These are the different timings when the train will be available. So this is for U6 train, this is for U13, and yeah, and this is an extended map. So currently I came in the same train and I will be again taking the same train. So I am in Feuerbach and I need to change another train from one U-Bahn to another in this Charlottenplatz. We got down in this station, and even though it's U-Bahn, we need to go to a different station. So according to that U4, we have to take the U4. So I think we have to go underground. Wherever we are planning to go, that is near the place called Rothenburg, and we have to catch the bus number 61. We did catch the bus number 61, but we went the wrong way. Once we got down from the train, we had to go the other way to the Rothenburg, but we came towards the other side, and hence the 6th stop is now converted into 13 stops. So basically we caught the correct bus, but it was going the wrong way or the wrong direction. So again, after traveling for 15 to 20 minutes, we came here, near the bus stop to go back to the train station and further up to the Rottenburg. All the bus stops here are known as H-Bahn. This was the bus stop and we got dropped here and we are going towards the viewpoint. In the map it's showing around 300 meters, so currently we are just heading towards that way. If you can see this whole area, everything is vineyards. You can see grapes also growing here. Bunch of grapes are growing all over the plant, and you will get the view of the Stuttgart city towards that side. After getting down at the bus stop, you have to climb a little bit. The road is steep, but it won't be much of an issue because it's just hardly 100 to 200 meters of climb. And if you're coming in your car, as you can see, everyone has parked their car here, and maybe if you find a parking spot like this, an empty spot, you can park the car here. It is supposed to be a mausoleum here. We are not exactly sure where it is, so we are just following the path like this. So we are just following the path and we are gonna see what we'll find. To be honest, even I'm not sure what we'll find. I just saw in Google images that the location looked good, so we just took some train and bus and came here, and the views are really great. I'm sure it will be much better once we reach the top. So we reached the place, but it is closed. Anyway, it's fine because we could see from the outside and we can get these gorgeous views. I thought since it's a weekend it will be crowded, but yeah, there is no crowd. Maybe because everyone already saw and went back, and that's why maybe it's closed. But anyway, just coming to here, it's good. We'll get full complete view of Stuttgart city, the aerial view, and after walking in that hot sun, this cool breeze, it just suits you. Yeah, it's really good. So this was actually a castle which was built in the 1000, and then during the 1800s the castle was demolished and this mausoleum was built on top of it. On this side you can see some of the houses, and here just the vineyards. All these are vineyards, and if you see, there are a lot of path near the vineyards. So I don't know if it's allowed to go there. We'll try to go in there and get some photos. So that is the chapel, and there is one layer of corridor there, and if you come down, there is another layer here. All around this place there are many benches. It's 7:45. Yes, you heard it right, it's 7:45 and still so much of daylight is there. Yeah, so we are heading back to the bus stand because we thought we'll wait till the sunset, but that happens after 9 o'clock. You can even relax at the top, so when you are in Stuttgart, definitely plan this outing. You can see all this grape plantation here, and in the middle of this valley you can see some small town. So this is a part of Stuttgart actually, but not in the central part of the Stuttgart, but outskirts of Stuttgart. It's nestled very beautifully in between the two valleys. See how straight it is. So each rows are maintained very well, and I think you can easily slide down. We came close by to these grape plantations to get a very closer look. There are a bunch of grapes here. So this is kind of a side route, and on the main route it will take you towards the chapel. Lot of people are actually coming now. I think that's probably because they want to see the sunset. The views will be really great if you can catch the sunset. Try to come at the night. We are going back because tomorrow we have to go back to work and all those stuff. It's better if you come on Saturday, so if you go late also you will have time on Sunday. Yeah, so right now we are just going back to the bus stop. Basically we'll follow the same route. We'll change 2 different trains and 1 bus. This is like a small cute town. The architecture of all the houses are unique and really good. You feel like you are coming to a medieval or an ancient era. So all the houses in this small town of Württemberg, so everything is nice actually. And this is the bus station. We'll just check when the bus will arrive. If we have time, we'll just try to go for a quick stroll. So this is where we are right now. The stop name is Württemberg, and we have to take the same bus 61, and we have to go to this Unterkheim, and the timing you can see it's at 8:25. Right now the time is 8:07, so we have 10 minutes to spare. We again took the right train, but on the opposite direction. Right now we came near the airport. In fact, we should have been opposite to it. So yeah, our train is this one, U6, and we have to go towards Gullingen, but we came towards this side, Flughafen this side. Instead we should have gone this way. We realized it now because we couldn't identify any of the place name. So this is the second time it's happening today. Once in the bus when we were going to that hill, and now we just stopped here in some place in BW city, and our train will come in 6 minutes, so we are just waiting for that. The time is around 9 o'clock, and you can see it's still so dark. It's 9:20 actually, and it's still so dark. Once I go there, I will go to my friend's room because I don't have a vessel to drink milk and all, since I am living in a shared apartment. So I will go to his room, collect that vessel, and again I need to change 2 different trains, so that will be a little bit time consuming. I'll see, maybe I'll go or maybe not, I don't know, I haven't decided yet. I'm just now reaching home, or my room actually. The time is 11:10 PM. Because of this wrong bus and train, I'm reaching little bit late. So that is it for now, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. In the next episode, I go to Ulm and visit the tallest church in the world. Then I visit the blue-colored Blottoff Lake. Stay tuned.